First of all, my name is Rahul. I'm from Jhajjar, Haryana. Recently, I did my diploma in computer engineering from Government Polytechnic Lishan. I'm always interested in IT sector. That's why I joined eVision. I got to know about eVision from Naukri.com. In eVision, I joined full-day job internship program. eVision is the best platform to learn IT knowledge, and also we can say that one of the best platform to develop our technical and communication skills. After completing my this job internship program, I got a job offer from WIPRO with salary 2.8 per annum. Trainer are the best, great in their fields and sport also. I had such a great experience. Thank you eVision, and thank you all the staff of eVision. Thank you.